Hey guys, welcome back. And I'm uploading after some time because of my exams, but now I'll try to be regular. Today we are doing a hyperrealistic eye, and the step one is to make the outline. So, first we are doing the outline with our mechanical pencil. So here I'm using a mechanical pencil of 0.7 mm, that is of Camlin. You can easily find it in any stationery store. So now I'm creating some highlights. So right now I've created the eyelashes and I'm not giving them much detail, as I'll give them the detail after I've completed my outline during shading. So right now I'm drawing some wrinkles, and now let me showcase what materials I'm using. So I'm using 3 Staedtler pencils of 4B, 6B and 7B and a makeup brush to blend it. So step 2 is shading, and let's move on. So right now I'm creating the pupil with the help of the 7B pencil because it needs to look very darker, and I'm just filling the pupil with my 7B graphite pencil, and now I'm trying to create some details, some lines around the pupil to create the texture of the iris. And now I'm using the mechanical pencil to shade the base. You can use any HB or 2B pencil to fill the base. It's totally your choice what kind of pencil you want to use. Right now I'm creating a type of shadow of the iris onto this sclera part of the eyeball. So I'm blending it with my brush and now creating some details of the iris. Currently I'm using a 4B Staedtler pencil. You can use a 3B or 5B if you don't have a 4B pencil. You can see in real time that I'm working really slow, so make sure that you don't rush to complete the drawing and work slow on it. Right now I'm creating the shadow of the eyelashes in the iris with the help of a 6B pencil. You can also do this with an 8B or an 10B pencil. Later I'll blend this with a brush to give it a little smooth effect, and detailing with a mechanical pencil. You can use a mechanical pencil if you have, or you can use an HB or 2B pencil for the same. Right now I'm trying to create the texture of the iris with the help of my mono eraser. So now I am shading the white region of the eye with the help of the mechanical pencil that I have. You can also use an HB or 2B pencil. Make sure that you use a 4B pencil to darken and use a brush to blend it. If you don't have a brush, you can also use a blending stump. Now I'm just randomly drawing some nerves and trying to create the details. Right now I'm using a white gel pen of Uniball to create some white highlights in the eye. Here I am using masking tape as a border on all the 4 sides, and it will be very helpful while creating the skin in the part 2. Now I just repeat the process on this side and try to create some dark areas and trying to blend it with a brush. Now I'm shading the eyelid with the help of a mechanical pencil and a 4B pencil. You can also use another great pencil like a 2B or 3B for this process. So here is our work from the part 1, and I hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and like, and thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you follow along with part 2. Thank you very much.